Charmaine from Smarter Selling. If you were to ask me what's the difference between normal salespeople and those that really excel, it's a mentality of being brave, being bold, just asking for the business. Do you know what? Once you've learnt the skill and you've stretched your comfort zone, it never shrinks back. Recognising opportunities and creating opportunities for these people just becomes second nature. At first they had to be brave and bold, but after a while it's just normal. In fact, if they don't look out for opportunities for the client, they're doing the client a disservice. So if you want to learn some strategies to how to ask your client for more business, be brave, be bold, stretch your comfort zone, stick your neck out, just give it a go. What's the worst that can happen? They call you fatty and hang up. I mean, is that it? There's just nothing that can really happen that's going to hurt you. We live in a first world country. The worst that's going to happen is they're going to say no, be rude and hang up. That's it. If that's the worst case scenario, then just be brave. Just think, if that happens, who cares? Be brave, be bold, stretch your comfort zone, ask your client for more business, because guess what? If you ask for more business, it might be a yes. If you never ask, it's definitely a no. If you'd like more tips on how to be brave and push your comfort zone and have some strategies in place for asking those questions, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.